Facial lymphatic drainage with cupping, a guided ritual by Hemp Skin Australia, demonstrated by Jessica Green, Skin to Muscle Therapy. This practice helps move stagnant energy, ease puffiness, and encourage your skin's natural radiance. Before we begin, take a moment to breathe deeply and arrive in your body. Lymphatic flow is about release, softness, and rhythm, not force. Welcome to your ritual of flow and renewal. With lymphatic drainage, we always begin by activating the lymph nodes before moving fluid towards them. With dry hands, use a gentle drag and lift motion, moving in slow, circular rotations. Activate the main lymph node areas, starting with the armpits. We'll then move to the collarbone, both in front and behind the ears and down the jawline. Make sure you're keeping your touch feather light, ensuring we're waking the system, not pressuring it. Then finally, move to the temples. Spend a few moments here, breathing steadily, tuning in to the subtle energy beneath your fingertips. Now that the nodes are open, we can begin our cupping ritual. Apply a light layer of your chosen oil. In this video, we're using Hemp Skin Australia's Daily Face Oil for its nourishing, high vibrational blend that supports flow and balance. Firstly, we'll start with the chest. When you first apply the cups, let them suction gently without dragging. This initial hold helps open the capillaries and awaken the tissue beneath. Now we'll move along the neck. As you gently pulse the cups along the neck and temples, feel the tissue awaken beneath the surface. This light suction and release invites circulation, signaling to the lymph pathways that it's time to open, soften, and flow. And finally, the temples. Now, we'll begin to guide the cups slowly, following the natural pathways of lymph flow. We'll begin this process at the jawline. Each motion should feel like a wave, lifting, guiding, releasing. Repeat each stroke 3 times to deepen circulation and oxygenation. Now move to the cheekbones. Let the cup follow the natural contour of the cheekbone, lifting, guiding, releasing. Each stroke encourages fresh oxygen, fresh nutrients, and fresh energy into the skin. From the brows upward, drain into the scalp. This is a wonderful time to use a soft brush or a scalp elixir to stimulate further flow and relaxation. As you lift through the brows and sweep out towards the temples, notice the mind softening too. The forehead responds deeply to touch. This is your invitation to let the thoughts settle. Continue at the chest. and then the jawline of the side you haven't completed. These long strokes along the jaw encourage sculpting, but more importantly, they encourage release, allowing the body to let go. Now move up to the cheekbones. As you glide along the cheekbones, move slowly enough to feel the tissue shift beneath the surface. This is where puffiness loves to gather, so this gentle lift and slide helps flush stagnant fluid and brighten the face. Now back to the forehead. Returning to the forehead now invites deeper release. Each pass becomes more fluid, more connected, and more effortless. Now move down towards your chin. For the chin and under chin area, tilt your head slightly back. Glide gently from the center outward and upward, repeating the motion several times. Avoid firm pressure over the front of the neck, where the trachea sits. This area lacks muscle support, so use only your hands here for soft drainage. This step helps sculpt and refine the lower face while releasing stored tension. Now we'll glide across our lips. Use the medium cup for most of the face, the chin, jawline, cheeks, and forehead. Switch to the smaller cup for delicate areas, under the eyes, along the nose bridge, around fine lines and crow's feet. Change to a smaller cup and begin under your eyes. The under eye is one of the most delicate parts of the face, so keep the cup barely hugging the skin. Now move to around your mouth. Use small, sweeping motions. This area often tightens with emotion, speech, and expression. Gentle cupping here softens those lines and encourages relaxation. And repeat on your other under eye. Returning to the under eye, it's important to move slowly. The lymph beneath the eye responds best to softness. And again to the side of your mouth. Let every glide around the mouth feel like smoothing, releasing, and inviting softness back into your expression. Now we'll move to the brow area. Across the brows, lift slowly and intentionally. It's incredible how much relief lives in this area and how quickly it responds to loving touch. And finally, to the lips area. Your complexion will appear smoother, more lifted, and beautifully at ease. But beyond that, You've supported your body's natural rhythm of cleansing and renewal. Repeat this ritual 2 to 3 times a week for best results, or daily for those seeking deeper restoration. As you close, whisper a gentle affirmation to yourself. I am flowing. I am radiant. I am renewed. I am love.